We at Fan Day at the Auburn Arena on Sunday. A lot of fans showed up. A lot of fans, showed a lot of love. All of them showed a lot of love. Hug from the grandma as well. I had a blast, meeting great Auburn people and getting to hug and take pictures with kids and a lot of high fives and everything going around. Yeah, War Eagle. War Eagle. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, it's my first time to do Fan Day and be a part of this team and to go out and just give a day back to the fans, because they're always there at the games when it's cold and, when it's hot, they're still out there, supporting us. And so we just wanted to show our fans that we really care about them, take our time to sign autographs and to meet with them and, just be in their presence, to show them that we do care for you and we do appreciate what you do for our school.
I know how big the fans are to Auburn and how loyal to they is, but it was kind of the first time I've seen it. You know what I mean? I've never been to Tiger Walk before, and then like this. So this was something new to me.
This one kid was like, I've been waiting for you to get here, for several years when I heard that you were coming here and recruiting and talk about you. And, some parents came up to me and it's like, it's a blessing to have you on this team, and it's the kind of things that stood out to me. It was surprising to know that many people cared, because some people just care about football and your ability, but not really the personality, not really, your character. And it was funny how, some of those parents didn't really say much about football, but more about who you were as a person and what they saw and how you spoke in interviews and how much they liked that and appreciated. And those were things that kind of, were familiar and that I really appreciated.
We heard that some been out since 9 or 8 a.m., something like that.
I was very surprised, man, because I heard that they were there like at 9 o'clock in the morning just waiting to get a spot. And I just thought that was just, amazing how they, took the effort and time of that day to get out to do that for us.
It was a long wait, and a lot didn't even get to meet us, And to them fans, we still love you just as much, you know what I mean? We appreciate y'all for coming out, sorry that it was only for 2 hours, but trust me, we'll give you a lot to smile about this year.